feel free to make your way down here for the
Ladies and gentlemen, everything you're about to hear is coming from our mouths. There are no effects, no distortion. 100% the human instrument. We would like to introduce you to our very good friend, Bloomer. Make some noise for Bloomer! No distortions, just 100% the human instrument.
Make some noise.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, everything you're hearing is coming from the human instrument. No effects, no distortion. The desire to come on stage at a young age is a natural thing to want to move, to be yourself, lose,
every once in a while to be your inner child. How's it feel? It's real. No, digital, it's quite magical when I just breathe. It's me and you. Check it out with the family, our crew. Dude, make some noise. Feel the vibration. Wow, true elation. I feel like I'm flying. Do you ever feel that anxiety? Your breathing goes wild and you can't see, and you just go. Then you feel your breath. I love when people say, oh, I don't have rhythm. We've all had a drum that's been beating since long before we were born. You can be your own dance party. This guy, check out his body. He's shaking shit.
Saturday on the house. fresh, I'm clean, I'm doing my thing.
Be your best self. Be your best self.
This is Graham, and our other guy, we don't know where he went. Invertebrate. Thank you so much. We're the missing element. We do have another portion to this show, which is beatbox lessons. Do you guys want to learn how to beatbox?
Yes.
Yes?
Raise your hand if you know your alphabet. A, B, C, D, or if you're about to learn it, this is gonna be really fun. So basically, we're gonna use a couple letters, like the letters P, T, and K, to make all these different sounds. So can everyone say potato? Potato. Can you say papa? Pop. So that P sound, if we take away our voice, we whisper, we go, yes, I can hear it. Do it again, go. Very good. Now, it might be a little quiet where you are, but if you do that little quiet P into a microphone, it becomes a very powerful kick drum. Now, the next sound we're gonna do is called the hi-hat. And we do that with the letter T. Can everyone say T? Can you say, may I have a cup of tea, please? Oh, T, 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 T. Very good. So same thing, we're gonna whisper, we're gonna take away our voice and say, very good. You guys have been practicing. You guys have been in this workshop before, haven't you? I hear a lot of, here you go. Yes, good job. Now, the third sound we're going to learn is the K snare, because it's the letter K. That makes a lot of sense, right? So that, can everyone say cake? Cake. Say cookies. Cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookie cake. This is making me hungry. Does anyone have cookies or cake? No? Okay, I'll get it later. So that sound that we do with cookie or cake, right? We're gonna do that same thing, but what we're gonna do is bring a little snap to it. Does anyone here know how to snap your fingers? Let me get some snaps, right? So the way you do a good snap, you build up pressure and then release it, right? If you grind your fingers, nothing comes out, right? Just, but if you get a nice, you get that snap. So same with this K sound, we're gonna go, very good. Another, very good. So now, all we got is arrange them together and put them in order. So our first pattern is going to be P, T, K, okay? P, T, K. Say it with me. P, T, K. One more time. P, T, K. We're going to whisper it. It's going to go like this. T. We're going to take out the voice. Yes. Nice. Now we're getting a little faster. We're going to like this. Nice. Yes. Very good. A little faster, now we go. Yes. 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 Oh, yes, guys. You are officially all beatboxers. Make some noise. Can I get up? Can I get up? Yes! All right, thank you so much. My name is Mark, I'm with the Academy of Noise. Gentlemen.
Thank you guys so much. We've been The Missing Element. Thank you. Check us out, social media, Missing Element Show.
Come talk to us. We love sharing what we do. Any questions, any thoughts, concerns, we'll be here floating around making weird noises.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.